This 2024 Winnebago Solis 59P-NP is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, skylight, external shower, water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Solis 59P-NP is built on a ProMaster 2500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.